Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the good alternative to Chrome Remote Desktop that is not running in a web browser. Uh, this, if you had a Chrome Remote Desktop, because it's made by Google and you hate Google, and yeah, so this is a better option for you. This is Anydesk, so it's running on its own client. This is not running on the web browser. This is more faster than the Chrome Remote Desktop, and it has a good file manager integration, which is very good if you don't want to waste your time in opening a two file manager between your PC computer and your RAM mod PC. So this looks like a Filezilla. So to install it, you can add into your etc app source.list. This Debian server. So now you can go here, and then you can just use that repository. Well, I am current. Well, this actual will also available for any Linux distro. I'm currently using Arch Linux in the client, so now you need to log in to root shell. So that's it. Now you can paste the command and enter it. Just launch it. Just copy and paste the command. That's very easy. Now after do it, you can type update in the root shell. Now you can finally install Anydesk by typing and install Anydesk. So that's it. Now to install another Linux distro, you can also use generic Linux and extract into any directory. So now to authorize the session, you can open up Anydesk. Yes, this is the Anydesk ID. Copy and paste into your computer. Well, this requires a VN session if you are running Anydesk in the headless server. And to authorize this session, and now you can finally connect it. And yeah, there is a sound output. The music itself is played on this cloud PC. So that's it. You can have a faster connection right here. And you can go away from the Chrome Remote Desktop. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to get this video from me. Thanks for watching.